Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Activating the Xfinity Stream Beta app on Roku. Go to xfinity.com/authorize from another device like a mobile phone, tablet or desktop, not from your Roku. From the web browser, enter the 6-digit code provided from the Roku device. Enter your Xfinity ID and password, then select Sign In. You'll see a success.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The app is available to all Comcast subscribers and compatible with all Roku TVs and most Roku streaming devices launched in 2015 and 2016, including the Roku Express, Roku Express Plus, Roku Streaming Stick, Model 3600, Roku Premier, Roku Premier Plus, Roku Ultra, Roku 4, Model 4400, Roku 3, Model 4230 and 4200, and Roku.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If you're hoping to replace your cable box in favor of a Roku device on Comcast's Xfinity cable service, you're more than welcome to do so. Comcast announced this week that Roku owners could now use those set-top boxes instead of the traditional cable boxes to access Comcast content.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.